Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So to start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them, I installed the EasyFax before. Okay, now decide that you want to get notification and add the permissions to camera and to the files it's necessary. Okay, now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. You can select, of course, more than one picture. And now, if you're ready, click import. Now you can add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, click arrow. Okay, now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. And you can also add a signature text and a graffiti by these icons. If you are ready, click accept and type the number in this place and choose the country from this list. You can give a small note here, optional. And now if you want to add more documents, click on the plus, choose the source, exactly same like before. If you want to send the documents in from this list, just click on this button, buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.